Have you ever had the need to look for a piece of equipment that like just doesn't show up on the floor plan? Like maybe somebody put a element on the floor and they put on the wrong work set and you just happen to have that work set turned off. Well, there's an easy way to just kind of turn everything on, and if you use the temporary view properties window, it's really fast that you can just turn something on, look for it, and then turn off of that temporary view. So let me show you how we can use that. Over here in my lighting floor plan, I'm trying to lay out lights, but I also want to make sure that I'm not putting this directly in line with a diffuser or ductwork or anything. So instead of having to work in like a working view and then the floor plan, you could theoretically just use the same view. However, just go down here to your temporary view properties and then apply a coordination view template. So you can just enable one, apply a temporary one. I can show you how to make one. So essentially, you can open up your view template window. Then over here under duplicate, I can grab like, say lighting plans. We'll say lighting coordination. Okay, then for this view template, I can go over here to the models, turn on air terminals, ductworks. Yeah, let's turn on all the ductworks. Let's maybe even include some piping, just anything I want to coordinate with. Then go over here to work sets, make sure my lighting is shown. Then everything else is probably good to go. So if I hit OK, and then this should apply a temporary view template that, won't mess with this one on the side. So now I can see my duct banks, air terminals, the drop. Actually, there might not be any air terminals here. It looks like it's all ductwork here, but you can see some areas that it looks like I'm just not in a good spot with my lights. So I can move this fixture, check the rest of it, and then when I'm done, basically tap this and then turn it off. So it'll load back to what I had previously without messing with anything on the side. Sometimes if you were to switch this lighting plan view template to like a working one and you don't switch it back, that gets printed. If you use this temporary view properties window, you won't accidentally print the working view. So it's nice, it's quick, it's effective, and a lot of people just forget that it's there. You don't always have to use a view template either. You can actually just enable this temporary view by clicking that on the top, and then now you can literally open up your visibility graphics settings up here and do anything that you want. Let's say I want to show cable trays just for a moment. So I can turn that on and you can see the cable trays will pop up. So here it is over here. I don't have to take off my view template in order to show my cable trays just for a minute. Then just go over here, turn it off, enable, there we go. And there you go. See, now we're back to where we started. So it's a powerful tool. You should use it a lot for coordination or if you're just trying to look for something quickly. And it's a kind of hidden feature in the bottom corner. So, all right, well, that's all I got for you today. Have fun. I'll see you next time. Bye.